What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to my channel where we talk about the stock market, crypto, and all of finance. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to invest in stocks on Robinhood. That's what I use, but you may be able to still use these steps if you invest using another platform. Alright, so I'm loading into Robinhood right now, and I'm going to show you guys how to pick a stock that you want to invest in. So let's go over here, and let's say you want to buy American Airlines. So you type in the ticker symbol, which is AAL, or you can also type the name of the company. So I can also type in American Airlines, and it'll show up at the top. You just click on it. We can see what the price is per share. We can also go through like how much it has gone up or down through the past few years, months, days. If you scroll down, Robinhood gives you a bunch of info about the stock that can help you it can help you like confirm if you really want to buy the stock. After that, you want to click this button in the bottom right corner, the green button that says trade. And then once you hit that, you hit buy. And after that, it'll say you have this amount of money available to buy the name of the company, or in this case, AAL. And the thing about this is you can do fractional shares. So AAL costs $17.12 right now, this recording. And but yeah, you can just buy fractional shares, and if you don't have the amount that the price is. So some stocks like Amazon that are like over $3,000, and if you want to invest in them because you like them, you still can. It's just you'll have a fractional share, not one full share. Also, when you guys are ready to sell your stock, maybe it went up, or maybe you think it's going to keep going down and you just don't want to lose anymore, this is what you do. So I'm going to go to a company I'm currently invested in. For example, like this one right here, Tesla. Again, I have fractional shares in it because it's a lot for me. And what you want to do is you want to go to that same button, trade, and then you want to hit sell. And right here, you just do the same thing. It'll have a sell all option. You can sell whatever you want as long as you have that amount, obviously. And yeah, that's how you buy and sell stock. So thank you guys for watching this video. It's my second video. In the future, I hope to keep looking at stock market, helping you guys out, and I'll look at the comments if you guys want to request a video. Again, I'm just starting out, so I'm open to any ideas. So yeah, I'll be there for you guys to read your comments, maybe help you guys out, and we can just learn from each other. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.